Welcome to Reviews Inside TV, where we bring you in-depth, unbiased, and thorough product reviews. Today, we're taking a closer look at the Vexon 4.5L air fryer with glass window. This 6-in-1 multifunction air fryer promises versatility in the kitchen with the ability to air fry, bake, roast, and even dehydrate your favorite foods. But does it live up to the claims? Let's find out. The Vexon 4.5L air fryer stands out right away thanks to its sleek design and the addition of a glass window. With a 6mm thick glass bowl, it provides a full 360-degree view of the cooking process, something many traditional air fryers lack. This feature allows you to easily monitor your food, preventing overcooking while adding an extra layer of convenience to your cooking experience. The glass is paired with a built-in cooling system, ensuring your air fryer doesn't overheat during use, which is a nice touch. In terms of functionality, this air fryer does not disappoint. It boasts 6 preset functions, allowing you to prepare a variety of dishes, from chicken wings and steaks to baked goods and even seafood. The 4.5L capacity is perfect for smaller families or individuals, handling up to 13 chicken wings, 2 pounds of French fries, or 3 steaks at once. With the use of 360-degree circulating hot air technology, the Vexon promises oil-free, healthy cooking, something that's a major selling point for health-conscious users. The temperature control system on this model is also worth mentioning. It can heat up to 400 degrees Fahrenheit, with intelligent temperature regulation ensuring even cooking. This means your food should come out crispy on the outside while remaining tender on the inside, with less oil than traditional frying methods. Compared to some other air fryers that may have inconsistent cooking, this feature makes a big difference in performance. Now let's talk about real-world usage. The setup of the Vexon 4.5L air fryer was simple, even for someone who isn't too tech-savvy. Once plugged in, the digital touchscreen was intuitive to use. I tested it with a batch of chicken wings, and the cooking process was efficient. The glass window allowed me to check on the wings every few minutes, ensuring they cooked just right. I appreciated how evenly the food cooked. No hot spots or undercooked areas, which sometimes happen with less advanced models. The digital controls were responsive, making it easy to adjust the temperature or select a different cooking function. I also tried the baking feature, which worked surprisingly well, with a batch of muffins coming out soft on the inside and golden on top. But it's not all perfect. One potential drawback is the noise level. While not excessively loud, the Vexon air fryer can get a bit noisy during operation, especially when cooking larger batches. It's not something that will disrupt your day, but if you have sensitive ears, it's something to keep in mind. Cleaning this air fryer is a breeze. The basket is dishwasher safe, and the removable stainless steel tray makes cleanup even easier. I've noticed that some air fryers can be a hassle to clean, especially when food gets stuck. But with the Vexon, that wasn't an issue. The non-BPA and PFOA-free materials also add peace of mind, ensuring that your cooking is free of harmful chemicals. In terms of value for money, the Vexon 4.5L air fryer holds up well compared to other models in the market. It's competitively priced, especially for the features it offers. While there are cheaper alternatives, they often lack the glass window and temperature control system that set this air fryer apart. If you're looking for a product that combines multiple cooking functions with ease of use and a healthier way to cook, this is a solid option. There are air fryers with slightly larger capacities, but this one strikes a balance between functionality and size for a small family. When compared to other popular air fryers, the Vexon stands out in terms of the glass window design, which provides a unique advantage when it comes to monitoring food while it cooks. It also offers a larger 4.5L capacity, which is ideal for medium-sized portions. However, some alternatives in a similar price range might offer more advanced features like smart connectivity or larger cooking areas. So depending on your specific needs, there are options to consider. Build quality-wise, the Vexon feels sturdy, with a solid construction that suggests it will hold up well over time. The glass bowl is thick and feels durable, and the digital controls respond well. While long-term data on this model specifically is still limited, based on the overall build and the brand's reputation, it seems like a product that should last. air fryers, in general, tend to hold up well as long as they are regularly cleaned and maintained, so I wouldn't be too concerned about durability here. Customer service for Vexon is something I didn't need to test personally, but based on the brand's reputation, users have reported prompt and helpful responses when needed. Of course, as with any appliance, always check the warranty and support policies, especially if you encounter any issues post-purchase. Wrapping it all up, the Vexon 4.5L air fryer with glass window is a solid contender in the air fryer market. Its versatile cooking options, clear glass lid, and intelligent temperature control system make it stand out from the crowd. While it's not without a few minor flaws, such as the noise level, it excels in the areas most people care about: efficiency, ease of use, and healthy cooking. If you're in the market for a reliable, budget-friendly air fryer that can do more than just fry, the Vexon is definitely worth considering. Whether you're a cooking newbie or an experienced home chef, its thoughtful design and practical features make it a valuable addition to your kitchen. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon so you never miss an honest, in-depth review. The link to grab the Vexon 4.5L air fryer is in the comments box. Let us know if you've used this air fryer, or if you have any questions. I'll be happy to hear your thoughts. Until next time, keep cooking up those tasty meals with Reviews Inside TV.